Hey everybody, welcome to character animation. That's correct. Welcome to character modeling. So a lot of cool things this week. Hopefully everybody got a good chance to take a look at the discussions. I posted a discussion so you have a chance to reply. I'll take a look at everything and hopefully everything works out. But let's talk about some design techniques and see how we can improve some things and really go into detail about a lot of stuff for this week and how it's going to help out with your character turnarounds. That would be great. I always do two announcements. So character design is really interesting. Sorry about that. There we go. So character design is really interesting. There's a lot of things that you can do, and the great thing about it is when you're creating your characters from a concept phase, it's always good to really combine shapes and practice to create these characters. A lot of times, artists use simplicity, using complex and simple shapes to create characters to really add customizable features, but also really add personality to everything that goes along with everything. That way, it's really easy to understand and really good to use. A lot of artists tend to use multiple shapes and objects to make stylized characters, and because of that, this keeps in mind that the character limitations could be emotional or physical or situational, and you can see this with a lot of idealistic elements. For example, shorter, pudgier man might be a little bit slower and a little bit not as agile, but at least with those shapes and the style, we can automatically assume this person may be smart and experienced in a lot of different ways. Yeah, so character design is really crucial, but it starts with simple shapes. That's what's really important with a lot of different things. Now, creating a character, you have to really do a few things. You have to research and evaluate what you want out of this character. You have to also understand who's your audience, like who is this really seeing? And then you design the character based upon some of the things that your audience likes. Not only that, you want to understand the visual impact and the appeal that your character is supposed to have. That way you can design it into your design. That way it's really important. And always exaggerate characteristics. The more you exaggerate your characteristics, the easier it's going to be to really deal with a lot of different elements and go from there. That way you can really get into aspects and really convey the character's personality. Not only that, you can really explain the goals and the dreams and the backstories behind it too. That way it's really important for those elements. Now, we also have to keep in mind that as we create these characters, we want to put aside that suspension of disbelief that this character could exist in real life. So we have to put aside that perception of reality. So we have to build these characters to assume that this character could exist in the real world. And we have to find a way to develop these characters so that the viewers surrender the idea that fictional characters and places and concepts do exist. And this creates natural investment into the character from not only the artist, but also from the viewers and the people that enjoy this character over time. Sweet. Other than that, that's all I got. Just a quick announcement and everything, and just some techniques to kind of keep an eye on for. If you have any questions about this week, please let me know. I'm going to reply to your discussion post tomorrow. That way everything's going to be good to go. But keep in mind, initial and reply posts are due on Saturday. Your character turnarounds are due on Sunday. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So thanks for having a great weekend. Hope everybody's doing great. Contact me if you need me. Other than that, be safe, have fun, enjoy. Thanks for being awesome. Take it easy. Bye.